Sunday the 27th. Today's Sunday the 27th. This is the view that we are waking up to. It is currently almost, 1 o'clock? Currently almost 1 o'clock in the afternoon. We slept in because we had a long night yesterday. But we are about to get our day started. And as you can see, the view is amazing. As y'all can see, I kind of straightened up and packed a little bit of stuff because we are checking out tomorrow. I'm looking a little crazy with my wig cap because I am about to do a video and I'm about to take a shower. So I'll catch you guys when I'm ready. This moment, I realized my hair dryer was blowing sparks out of it and I wasn't trying to get my head caught on fire, so I stopped recording and did what I had to do.
Birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, dear Nasia! Happy birthday to you! Woo! I love you! But you can love me.
Alright y'all, so I'm back. I had to step off camera to do my hair because I didn't want to blow up on camera, but we back. My sister made me breakfast that I ate, some bacon and some waffles. I have my outfit out and my jewelry, and yeah, we're getting ready to go. Alright, so we are at the beach. This beach is Grwm Beach, if I'm pronouncing that right. Grwm Beach in St. Lucia. It's nice and hot outside, not too hot, so perfect. But feeling good. So this is our first stop. I want to try to go to a couple of the beaches today that we didn't get to go to the other days, so this is the first stop. Grwm Beach. You like my slides?
We not gonna sit here? Don't you wanna walk there? No, I don't want to be next to everybody. You don't want to find a chair? There's no chair there.
Oh, this is where the little water park that they have for like the kids and stuff. Let's go. The water's nice and blue, clear.
bird? Yeah, yeah. Like a pigeon. You look like a pigeon.
Pigeon Point. And this beach right here is Pigeon Point Beach. Where I stopped for jet ski.
These are the restaurants.
Overwater villas. first Jamaican restaurant in St. Lucia. About to eat some good food. We got the vibes here. Playing good music. This is my chauffeur for tonight, showing us